I don't feel strong, but I still sing. Even through pain, you're everything. You never leave, you never rush. You meet me here in broken trust. He gives strength to the weary. Isaiah 40:29. You're not waiting for me to earn. You're healing now, and I will learn. You're healing me now. I feel it somehow. Your mercy's moving through my soul, restoring what the pain stole. You're healing me now. Yes, even now. You're healing me now. I lay down fear, I lift up praise. I breathe you in, and strength remains. The hands that bore my grief and sin are reaching out to make me whole again. But He heals all your diseases. He heals all your diseases. You're not waiting for things to change. You're healing me in Jesus' name. You're healing me now. I feel it somehow. Your mercy's moving through my soul, restoring what the pain stole. You're healing me now. Yes, even now. I believe, even if I don't see, my body's catching up to what you've already reached. I declare what you've begun will be complete. Healing has won. Let the weak say I am strong. He who promised is faithful. Hebrews 10:24-3. You're healing me now, right here somehow. I trust your timing in your hand. I know you always understand. You're healing me now. Yes, even now. You're healing me now.
If this blessed you, don't keep it to yourself. Tap to subscribe and share with someone who needs a little more light for their soul today.